Dr. Puranik Madam, Director of Sinhagad Business School, Mr. Kaustubh and Mr. Deepak, the alumni of Sinhagad Institute, faculty members of Sinhagad Business School, and dear students, on behalf of Savitribai Phule Pune University, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this webinar. I think it's a very innovative attempt using this technology, getting in connect with all of you. So it is not a distancing. Mentally, we are with you all. The institute is with you. The faculty is with you. So do not worry. See, this pandemic has shaken all world. It's not only India, not only Pune, not only our university, our program. So we do not have to worry. I think we should take it as an opportunity. But while just taking an opportunity, we have to find out that the world before COVID-19 and world after COVID-19 will be totally different. Many things we have to see change. What we call or coined the term as a new normal. So we may have a distancing, not social distancing, but physical distancing most of the time. There may not be more gatherings and movement in near future. There may be new skills which are required for the future. I think we need a lot of manpower, skilled manpower in the field of health education. We need manpower in health care. We need manpower in logistics, supply chain management. A lot of issues are now getting created about supply chain management also, food delivery, raw material transportation, and so many things are there. For a student of MBA, they should not be worried, but they have to reskill themselves because the technology is vital now. As a marketing manager or HR manager, you may not be physically going from one place to another place, but using technology sitting at home or your office place, you need to control your market, you need to control your HR people. That skill you need to imbibe, see that how you can going, because when you're moving, I think a lot of time is wasted in commutation. Now the commutation is becoming almost nil. So there are certain industries which are really facing challenges. As yesterday we were discussing in a CM's meeting with the Vice Chancellor was going on, there was an issue that the school buses or the vans will not be required now. No parent will allow their children to travel in the congested van. So every parent has to go and drop their children. So this is a new normal. Washing your hands regularly is the new normal. Wearing mask is a new normal. So a lot of things are changing now. Hotels will not have swimming pools or saloons or any other such thing where people will gather. So many things are changing. I think you have a right time to reskill yourself. There are two types of migration which is happening. I call as a reverse migration. The people who are working abroad who are Indian, they may lose their job and come back to India and then compete with all of us. A lot of skilled worker has gone back to their native place. They may not come back. So there is a lot of skill back is there. There is training gap is there. As a HR manager can create a lot of training. You have different kind of manufacturing facilities. So many opportunities will be coming for all of us. You have to keep your eye open beyond your syllabus and within your curriculum. You have to learn a lot of things. There are a lot of online learning platforms which are available for all of us. We need to learn all these platforms and see that it gets through. So I think keep your learning curve on. Don't be nervous at all because even US is not able to face. Europe is not able to face. I think India, we are doing better. So you should not be worried. Our education system, our family system, our culture is very strong that we are facing the pandemic very strongly. So I wish this webinar all the best. And with the support of your faculty, your director, your placement officer, your past student that is alumni, I think you can relearn all these skills which are required for the future. Do not keep worry what will happen in 2021 or 2022. Right now, it's time to skill yourself. Right now, it's skill to build the capacity within you, increase your moral, focus on your health, see that your health, mental, physical, and emotional health will be most perfect in this period. Do not get carried away by rumors or emotions at all. I think this will help all of us to we are all together. Do not have to worry. Physically, maybe apart, you are apart, or somebody is in his home or in his office, but we are all together. We'll all work together to see that our future is bright. Thank you very much for inviting me. And I wish this webinar all the best. Thank you.